Hello again. Today I've got some skins for the back of my S22 Ultra, and these come from Pskin.vn. They're a bit like dbrand, but they're based in Hanoi, Vietnam. I'll give you all the details here, and I'll also link a link to their page on the Shopee app for those of you who live in Vietnam. So I've got the silver and the black version. I'm going to put the silver on because I'm not quite sure. I've never done one of these before, but I think they're quite easy to do. I've done screen protectors and things. They sent a little card, a little thank you card with a little bit of information on the back there. And you've got everything inside here to install the skin on the back of your phone. So you've got the little wet wipe and dry wipe and a little card here, a little piece of paper to show you how to install screen protectors and the skins. So they obviously do screen protectors as well. And there's a little baggie here which has got the cleaning kit again with a little microfiber cloth and an installation card and some stickers to take the dust off. Don't really need the dust stickers, I don't think, as long as we clean it properly. It's got another wet wipe there, and this is a card with a little bit of felt to install it. Right, let's put these all out of the way and then let's get to installation. Okay, first thing you need to do is to wash your hands with soap to get the oils off of your skin, because otherwise it could make the sticky patch less sticky. Let's get the dust and lint from the cameras as well, because they can make the skin bubble up. And right, I've torn this one open. This is the little alcohol wet wipe, and that will just degrease the phone so that the plastic sticks well. So let's just go over that quickly. Make sure that you do this nice and thoroughly. You don't have to rush. Make sure you get all of the oils and greases from your fingers or any dirt that may be on the phone from daily use. Make sure you get well around these camera lenses, and then we'll do the top and the bottom and the sides. Make sure you just take off any stickiness, any residue that might be on there from a case, and any hand oils and grease and things. Okay, so we're all ready now, wiped down, and I'll tear open the second packet, which is the dry cloth, and this is a lint free cloth. So if you've installed screen protectors before, this is the cloth that you use as well to make sure that there's no little particles of dust and lint that come off the cloth. So this is a special cloth for that. Okay, we must be getting ready. Right now, I haven't done one of these before, but I have read the instructions and I watched a couple of videos myself, but they were in Vietnamese. That's why I'm making this one. So the best thing I've found is to put it where the buttons are. So you've got the power button and the volume up and down buttons. So let's install that part first, because otherwise it might not fit properly as it's coming back around. I saw some videos where they put it on the back first, some where they put it around the cameras first, but I'm going to do it this way because I'm stubborn like that. Of course, when you're doing it, you can do it whichever way you wish, but I think this will be the best way of lining it up, in my opinion anyway. If I'm wrong, we'll soon find out. Okay, so make sure you get it around these two buttons, and then we'll put it down this side. I don't have a little template thing like some phones where stick into the Type-C port, so you just have to do this by eye. Okay, that looks a little bit off there. Alright, okay. It's a little bit tight around these buttons. I might have to heat it up a little bit later. Again, some of the videos showed putting this on with a hairdryer, but I don't think in my studio with these lights. I don't think I'll need a hairdryer. Okay, so let's get the card now and just make sure that that back part has got no bubbles. This is a nice textured skin. Very, very good quality as well. I've got a couple of friends who came over from England and they had a dbrand skin. But I couldn't find any original dbrands and I didn't want to order one from America. So I thought I'd try this company out here in Hanoi where I live. And so far this is going on very nicely. It's sticking well. It's not lifting up or peeling again, which is excellent. Okay, so that's the bottom done. Okay. I'm just going to go around these buttons one more time. Yeah, it's a little bit tight around these buttons. That might need heating up slightly just to get them over. Okay, everything's working fine. Power button, volume buttons. Excellent. Right, so that was easy, wasn't it? No bubbles, minimum fuss, and it went on pretty straight for my first attempt. Excellent. Right, okay, I'm going to show you some images now of it a bit closer up, and then I'm going to show you some images of the black one, because I'm going to take this one back off and put the black one on, because I got two to show you the different colors. They also come in red, orange, and I believe white, and they also do things like Tom Brown skins, and they've got some other skins that are really nice that are like the Nothing phone, and that looked pretty cool. But I needed the black one because this is my camera, my B camera for doing the video work. So I wanted it with a black skin so it doesn't show up on camera when I'm doing the recording. So there we go. I hope you found this informative, and I hope it helps you out if you're going to put a dbrand or any other skin on your phone. And I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.